Hello, TreasureTuber is here with the newest method 2022, how to earn money online without investment in mobile. Specifically for the students it's designed because it's so important that you do not have to pay for anything and you don't need to be in one specific location, but you can do this worldwide. You don't need a social following and it's free. So would you like to see how easy it is? You can do anytime, everywhere, and you can earn a decent money. So first of all, I would like you to ask, if you haven't subscribed yet, just click that button below the video. In this way you will gonna see my next video when this comes out, the newest method. But right now my question is,
would you like to earn $5 every single minute? Then this amazing website will pay us $5 each and every minute. We can get paid fast, and they have many withdrawal options. As you can see here, people from all over the world are getting paid over $5 every minute. Watch this video all the way through the end, and I will show you step by step how to earn $5 every 60 seconds. So in today's video, I will show you how you can earn free PayPal money super fast. You can do this from your smartphone, PC, or from any device. And this is available worldwide. So no matter where you live, you can earn money from this website. If you watch this video until the end, I will show you how to sign up for free, how to earn money on this website, how to withdraw your earnings, and I will even show you bonus websites as well, which are additional platforms that I'd like to share with you in order for you to maximize your earnings and results. One of these platforms will pay us $3 just to sign up. So keep on watching. Now let's get started. First of all, I want you to go to this amazing website. This is the website that will pay us free PayPal money. And this is 100% free. On this website, we can actually earn money by completing offers like watching entertaining videos and taking short surveys. I know that many of us don't like to take surveys because they are so boring and they take a lot of time. But don't worry. This website is not like that, and that is why I love this website. Their surveys are very easy, and they take about 2 minutes to complete. But if you don't like to take surveys, you can earn money by completing offers, which are very simple and easy. So as you can see here, we will get paid fast. They have many withdrawal options as well. And that's one thing that I really like about this website. If you don't have a PayPal account, you can withdraw your earnings through Skrill, Amazon gift cards, Tango, or even Bitcoin. And the best part about this website is that you can do this with just your phone. In fact, it works better with your phone than with your laptop or PC. Now this is how you can create an account for free, so just click on this Join Free button. And then it will take us over to their sign up page right here. So you just need to enter your name, username, password, and email address. And then enter your address, city, zip code, and select your country. This works all over the world. It works in India, Philippines, United States, Indonesia, Nigeria, and in any country around the world. So once you select your country, you just need to enter your withdrawal options. After that, click these boxes, verify the CAPTCHA, and then click register. This is how it will look like once you've created your account. As you can see, congratulations, you have been successfully registered. Now I want you to take a look at this right here. We have already added your 20 cents joint bonus to your account balance, and you will be able to make your first cash out when your balance is over $1. That is absolutely amazing. We just need to earn $1 to withdraw our earnings. Now what we are going to do is earn money on this website. To do so, just click on Earn Money. And then as you can see here, there are many surveys which we can take and earn money. As I said earlier, these surveys are very simple and easy. Now we're going to click on Popular Surveys. Once you click on it, you will see right here, these are the highest paying surveys that you can complete for free. So take a good look at these surveys. This one pays us 30 cents. This one pays us 30 cents as well. And this survey pays us 50 cents, right here 65 cents, 80 cents and 85 cents, just to complete simple surveys. One of the things that I really like about this website is that we can take surveys unlimited times, unlike other survey sites which have limited surveys. And the best part is that this is not the only way we can earn money on this website. You can complete offers, you can watch videos, and you can earn money by referring your friends as well. Now, this website is called rewardingways.com. But don't go straight to this website yet because I will show you how to withdraw your earnings first. And I'll show you bonus websites as well. How to withdraw our earnings. Now I'm on the homepage, so to withdraw our earnings we just need to click on Withdraw Cash. Once you've clicked on it, you can now cash out your earnings through PayPal, Skrill or Bitcoin. Now here's the bonus websites that I've promised, which are additional platforms that I'd like to share with you in order for you to maximize your earnings and results. So first, this is the website that will pay us $3 for just signing up. This is a similar website to rewardingways.com. But this website pays more than the former. As you can see, they also have many withdrawal options. So you don't have to worry. If you don't have a PayPal account, you can use another option. This website is called squishycash.com. Here are some payment proofs of people getting paid from this website. So this is how you can create a free account on this website. First, click on Join. Then we just need to enter some information and we can sign up for free. Once you create an account, you can earn money by watching videos, completing offers, taking surveys and playing games. Once again, this website is called squishycash.com. Now, another website that I want to share with you is called timebucks.com. It's really a great website because it will pay you for some really unique stuff, like it's going to pay you to post on TikTok, view funny slideshows, play games, install apps and the likes. And they also have an option for you to get paid for just watching short videos. And I really love this website because they have daily bonuses. Each time you log into your account, they will give you some absolutely free bonuses. And yes, you can start earning instantly, which means you don't have to wait around for weeks to get accepted into something. You can sign up today and be able to earn money which you can then spend on whatever you want to. So just come over to timebucks.com. You can either sign up with Facebook, which is a lot easier and faster because it requires just one click of a button. Or you can do so by entering your email address manually and by creating a password. And once you create an account, just log in and this is what you will see. This is a brand new account. And you can see people from all over the world are making money, like every couple of minutes people are being paid with this website. You have people from India and Philippines that are making money every single day, and people from all over the world are using this website because it's all absolutely free. And it's really easy. You can just go to the earn section over here. You can complete different surveys, different tasks, but you can also get paid for watching videos under the offer walls and tasks section. Once again, this website is called timebucks.com. Sign up for free and get paid without investing any money. And that wraps it up. That is exactly how you earn free PayPal money with just your mobile phone. And now if you want to earn even more money, check the first link in the video description below to discover how to get paid $150 to watch videos. Yes, it's possible, and I'll show you exactly how to do it in that video right there. Check it out. Thank you so much for watching, and be sure to drop a like and subscribe with notification on so you don't miss out on any of the new contents. As always, I will see you in some of the next videos.